Avial is the dish I'm preparing today, but before we get started, let me talk to you about the star of the dish, which is the coconut oil. So today I'm using Geethanjali coconut oil, and here are a few reasons why. The oil is sourced from a trusted vendor. I love the fact that it is triple filtered, which means that the oil is produced at low temperature, keeping the nutrients intact. The raw material, procurement and production are all done in Kerala, so it is locally produced. The fact that this oil is unprocessed and pure is a winning choice for me. So if you do your research right and consume the purest form in moderation with the right cooking methods, then this coconut oil is great for your health, hair and skin. But please do check with your doctor before consuming if you have any underlying health conditions. Avial is the dish I'm preparing today, and it is a favorite of many Keralites. So this is a key dish when serving a sadhya during festivals or weddings. This dish is an assortment of vegetables cooked with fresh coconut, yogurt and the best coconut oil that you can get your hands on. So Avial is a simple and healthy dish that can be enjoyed with hot rice.
The ingredients used for this recipe are ash gourd, yam, drumsticks, raw banana, salt, turmeric, coconut, green chili, cumin, shallot, yogurt, coconut oil, and curry.